Hi, Patricia Stallworth here, and I just wanted to take a moment to tell you about my new class, Debits to Credits. I know the name sounds a little bit nerdy or accounty, but I promise you that's not really what the class is all about. It's really, you've heard that saying, knowledge is power. Well, I like to add something to it, and I like to say, knowledge is power, but it is the ability to manipulate that knowledge that sustains the power. And that's what this class is all about. It's about learning how to manipulate the knowledge that's inside of your business, your numbers. Once you understand what they are, where they come from, you can begin to change them. You can improve them. You can even reinvent them if you like. But you've got to have that base first. And so many of the business owners that I bump into just don't have any idea about how to start that process or what it should even look like so that they can do that. As a result, many of them are working harder than they need to get to the same point. And in some cases, they're missing out on money that's staring them right there in the face. Now is the time, because knowledge is power, to really take charge. Learn about your numbers. Visit debitstocredits.com, debitstocredits.com, and learn more and register because the class is starting soon. I hope I'll see you there. Bye for now.